new Power BI updates. Some of them may not apply to you. So let's talk about the ones that actually do. I went through the June 2026 updates, and here are features that I actually think are worth your time. Hi everyone, it's Isi here, and let's get into it. The first feature is the matrix auto expand, or leaving it in a default expanded state. This is what we had previously. Every time you share your report, the person using it would have to click on each one to drill it down to the next category, right? With the new update, you can control the starting expansion state. So instead of forcing every user to drill down manually, you can open it to the level that you actually want. So all you need to do is go on to format, and then under column headers, you can check the auto expand to on, and you can do the same thing as well for the row headers. So depending on the level that you want it to be. So the next time somebody opens the report, it will retain the expanded state that you had it at. Third feature is Tooltip Sentence Mode. So now you can have your tooltip written in sentence mode. Prior to this update, this is what we had. Once you hover across like a bar, you can see the product and the sum of revenue. But to get a better data story, right, you can actually use sentence mode in Tooltip. All you need to do is select that particular visual that you had in mind, and then go to format and properties, and you have your tooltips turned on already. And then you select options, and right here where it says sentence template, all you need to do is ensure that the fields that you're highlighting are in curly brackets. So I will just paste this. So what I want is the products shows the sum of revenue in sales. That's what I want. And I will turn on sentence format. It's looks better than what we had previously. You can also change the format to what you prefer, more engaging for your users as well. Those are the features that I think you should check out. There are definitely more in the June 2026 release that will be really great to also check out as well, but they definitely need their own videos because they're deep enough. Let me know in the comment section which of these fixes a pain point that you deal with every week. I'm curious to know which one of them actually fixes that pain point. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.